Hi, I'm Sophia Jaggi with the Center for the Study of Childcare Employment. Today, I'll be showing you how to use the 2024 Early Childhood Workforce Index. First, let's explore the homepage. Use this top navigation menu to move between sections of the report and explore companion pieces like the Taking Action Policy Toolkit. You can also navigate to different sections of the report using these blocks here. Now, let's take a look at the report itself. In the executive summary, you'll find key findings, followed by a brief set of policy recommendations. Notice this side panel. From here, you can navigate to all parts of our report and click into different sections. Chapter 2 is one of the most popular index chapters. This is where you'll find about the Early Childhood Workforce Index that includes demographic information and lots of rich data about early educator pay and economic insecurity across states. One of the most fun sections to click around in are the interactive maps. Going back to our navigation menu is to go to the interactive map. First, go to the side panel. This outlines the various maps. We have information that was also included in Chapter 2 of the report. This is the median wage map and a map of percent change in wages from 2019 to 2022. You'll also find a living wage map and an early educators living below the federal poverty line map. Our next set of maps are early childhood workforce policies, qualifications, work environments, compensation and financial relief, workforce data, and public funding. And finally, to see a state-by-state analysis of how each state is progressing in the 5 policies, visit the Early Childhood Workforce Policy Map profiles. Finally, here are the appendices. For all of you childcare workforce data fans, this section is for you. I hope you found this How to Use the 2024 Early Childhood Workforce Index site useful. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. My contact information is in the video notes. Thank you.